Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3, 2, 1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, as always, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave an emoji in the comment section. Just let me know that you want to see more of these types of videos. How old are you? How old are you? Wedi nfie seng. Wedi nfie seng. Wedi nfie seng. Wedi nfie seng. It should, if you extended it, I think wedi nfie seng is what you hear on the road. Like that's the common one you would hear. But if you broadened it, it should say wo edi nfie seng. Wo edi nfie seng, but it's sort of shortened to be wedi nfie seng. So wo is you or your, nfie is years, seng is how or what, depending on the contents. I skipped out edi just to come back to it. So wedi, di or didi, would didi bibia is to eat something. D is to eat. So literal translation, you eat years, how many? Like how many years have you eaten basically? How many years have you been eating on this earth? Actually, it's quite funny because if you guys know anything about Pidgin English, it's spoken in a lot of African nations and I think it differs slightly from country to country. However, if someone was to ask you, how old are you in Pidgin English, they might say something along the lines of, Charlie, how many years you chop? Charlie, how many years you chop? And that's how they'll be asking you, how old are you? So it's similar. Wedi nfie seng. You've eaten years, how many? How many years have you been eating? Wedi nfie seng. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.